In this video we're showing some transformations using the coordinate plane. As you remember, a coordinate plane is governed by the intersection of two axes, one that is horizontal, one that is vertical. I have this figure here, and I'm going to make this transformation, which is a translation or slide. That one is going to move the figure, the original figure, in one direction or more. In this case, the translation rule in words would be move the figure 4 units down, which is determined by the movement on the vertical axis or y, and 3 units to the left, which is on the horizontal axis. How do I know that this is down? You know that if you move down, the coordinates or the operation involved is to subtract, and if you move left, the operation is also subtract. So if, for example, in this figure that I have here, which is a very simple exercise, it's a right triangle, right skating, all the sides measure different. I will have the coordinates for all the vertices. The original coordinate for A is 6, 2, B is 2, 5, and C is 2, 2. So if I take point by point of the figure, I will get following the translation rule to get the result of the translation. In this case, if I take the coordinates of A, which are 6, 2, and I follow the rule, the translation rule, I will move down 4 units according to what it says there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 units down and 3 units left. 1, 2, 3 to the left. I can see that the coordinates of A prime would be following the coordinate plane. I will know that this is 3, negative 2. I can do the rest of the movement using the same pattern, so moving the figure and every point following the same rule. So in this case I'm going to move C. 4 units down, 3 units left. So this would be C prime. And you can easily determine the coordinates, which are negative 1, negative 2. And to get B prime, I will do the same thing, moving B on this point 1, 2, 3, 4 units down according to the rule, and 3 units to the left. So this would be B prime. And the coordinates are negative 1, negative 1. You can also get the results following the pattern here. You know that to move down 4 units, that's subtract 4, and to move the original point to the left is subtract 3, if 3 units to the left. So if I do something like this, I substitute the original 6 and the original 2, I will get the final coordinates of A prime, which correspond to this point. So let's compare the results you can get using the graphical model, the geometrical model, and using the theory. So 6 minus 3, I can get 3, and 2 minus 4 is negative 2, which is exactly the same coordinate here. Similar process will be done with the other figures. You will use the same process, and you will get B prime and C prime following an algorithm.